Hi kids, this is teacher Erica and welcome to math class. Today we are going to talk about least common multiple. Everybody please say least common multiple or LCM. Okay, so first you have to know this following words, okay, or vocabulary. So a multiple of a whole number is the product of the number and another whole number. So which means, for example, we have a very simple example, 2. So 2 here, for example, we will multiply by 1. The answer is 2, right? Then the answer 2 is the multiple number, or it is the multiple of a whole number, because a multiple is the product of the number, which is 2, and another whole number, which is 1 here. Alright, so the answer is called a multiple of a whole number. Understand? So let's erase this one. Another one here, another word. A number that is a multiple of 2 or more whole numbers is called a common multiple of the numbers. So again, for example, we have 2 and then we have 3. Alright? So in 2 here, when you multiply it 1 by 1, let's say 2 times 1, 2, and then another one, 2 times 2, 4. So I'm listing down the multiples of 2, and then another one, 2 times 3, it becomes 6, right? How about in 3 here? 3 times 1, okay, 3. 3 times 2, 6, right? Alright. So now we have a common multiple of the two numbers. Again, a number that is, what is a number? Okay, it refers to number 6 here in this example. A number, which is 6, that is a multiple of 2 or more whole numbers. So the two numbers here is 2 and 3. Is called a common multiple. So the number 6 is a common multiple of the numbers 2 and 3. Understand? Alright. So another here. Okay, next. The least common multiple, or the LCM, of 2 or more whole numbers is the smallest common multiple of the number. So there are ways in getting the LCM of the numbers. So I will show you the two methods or ways in getting the LCM. First is by listing down multiples. So multiples of 6 in this example. So again, in getting multiples of the number or numbers, okay, you just have to multiply it to another whole number. So it is better if you will start from 1. Okay, so in this example, 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. And so on and so forth. Alright? 3 dots here, it indicates that the list is still going on. Alright, so there are more. Okay, you can list down as many as you can, okay, in of multiples of this number 6. Alright, so multiples of 8, we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and so on and so forth. Okay, so as you can see, we have a common multiple, which is 24, and another common multiples, which is 48. Alright, so we can say the common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, and so on. Alright? Next, the smallest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. So we can say, therefore, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Alright, so another method here. So it's still 6 and then 8. So this time, it's by prime factorization. So all we have to do is to list down all the prime numbers, only prime numbers, okay? So to factor this out, the number 6, list down the prime number 2 and then 3. 2 times 3, it gives you 6, right? And then 8 here, 2 times 2 times 2, it gives you 8. Understand? So you cannot write down or list down not a prime number. So it must be a prime numbers only. So this example, we have the prime number 2 and the prime number 3. Alright? So we have to list this down, all of them. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. This is how we are going to get the LCM. So let's find the product of 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3. Okay, therefore the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So as you can see, we still have the same answer, 24. So it's up to you if you want to get the LCM by listing down or by prime factorization. Okay, another example. So again, by listing down multiples, we have multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on. Okay, and so forth. Multiples of 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. And so on. Okay, so you can list down as many as you can. But our goal here is to find the smallest multiple or the smallest number. Okay? So we have a common multiples, 12 and 24. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, and so on. Alright, next. The smallest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Alright, smallest. Therefore, the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Alright, so, okay, by prime factorization this time. So we have 4, which is 2 times 2. Again, if prime factorization, you have to list down only the prime numbers. So 2, 2. Next, 5. So only 5. Or you can write down 1, but it's okay if it's not. So, and then the number 8. So 2 times 2 times 2, it's 8, right? Again, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8, right? So we have to list this down. Alright, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Find the product. What is the answer? Okay, therefore the LCM of 4, 5, and 8 is 40. Understand? Alright, so in getting LCM, we can use listing method, the first method that I have showed you, and then the prime factorization. Okay, so you will still get the same answer. It's up to you, alright? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our lesson. Thank you for watching. See you soon. If you need to review, just replay this video, okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye.